Wishing a wonderful day to all of you. Welcome to online class of SST. Yesterday I told you about milk. Milk is a wholesome food. We get milk from cow, sheep and goat. Milk is also called an ideal food. It is rich in vitamins, minerals, protein, carbohydrate and fats. Today our topic is sources of food. The sources of food are broadly classified into two groups: plants and animals and their related products. Food from plants. Plants are a source of wide variety of nutrients required to keep the human body in perfect working condition. Humans consume everything from fruits, flowers, even the stem of some plants, leaves and stem like lettuce, roots of some plants like carrots, beetroot, and seeds like wheat, rice, and so on. All foods comes from plants, even the animals depend on plants. Hence, we obtain food from plants directly or indirectly. The reason one is advised to consume fruits and vegetables on a daily basis is that it is a source of rich nutrients. Plants provide us with vegetables, coffee, cereals, pulses, fruits, sugar, spices, oil, and so on. Different parts of the plants provide different food materials. Let us have a look at some of the food obtained from different parts of the plants and vegetables. Vegetables. Vegetables are obtained from plants. Some nutrients rich vegetables such as beetroot, turnip, cauliflower and so on are obtained from plants. Roots, leaves and stem of some plants are edible. Roots, radish, turnip, carrot and beetroot are some of the roots that are eaten as vegetables. Stem, potato and ginger are the stem that are eaten as vegetables. Leaves, cabbage, lettuce are the leaves eaten as vegetables. Flowers, broccoli and cauliflower are the flowers eaten in the form of vegetables. Now fruits. Fruits are healthy source of food from plants. Orange, mango, apple, grapes are some of the fruits consumed by humans. Cereals. Cereals include rice, wheat, maize, jowar and so on. These are a rich source of nutrients provided by the plants. Tea and coffee. Tea and coffee are the widely grown in southern parts of India. These are also obtained from the plants. Not just these, sugar is also obtained from the plant. Oil. Oil can be extracted from the seeds and leaves of the plants. Some of the plants producing oil are mustard and sunflower. Spices, cardamom, pepper, clove, cumin seed and ginger are obtained from the plants and used in cooking purpose. Food from animals. Animal products are used as food directly or indirectly. Milk, eggs and meat are the important example of food from animals. Animals product too are rich source of nutrients. The food chain is composed of exactly these animals, starting with organisms that use the energy of the sun to the apex at which the organisms are predators and rely on producer, which means animals consume both food from plants and they eat meat also. Milk. Cows, buffaloes, sheep, goat, and camels are a great source of milk. Milk is also called as an ideal food. It is rich in vitamins, minerals, protein, carbohydrates, and fats. Eggs. Chickens, ducks are raised for eggs and meat. The egg is a rich source of protein and vitamin. Meat. Meat is rich in proteins, vitamins, phosphorus, and iron. Let's have a quick recap. Sources of food. There are two main sources of food, plants and animals. From the plants we get food grains, pulses, vegetables, fruits, spices, nuts, oils and beverages. From animals we get milk, milk products, honey, eggs, fish and meat. Now today your homework is, what are the different food products obtained from plants and animals? Write at least 5 names for each. My dear kids, it's time to leave. Have a good day. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you.